So like I said, I just dressed this up, but you can obviously dress this down, throw this top on with a pair of jeans. Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure we're locked in. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you be notified when I post a new video. And if you're not new, welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. And today's video, as you can tell, it's going to be another try and haul video. You guys know I love doing my try and haul videos. This whole try and haul is going to be brought to you by Express. I actually want to show you guys my bag from Express. I know it looks small, but do not judge a book by its cover. This bag is very heavy. It has a lot of stuff in it. It has a lot of goodies in it. So I'm very excited to show you guys what all I bought from my little shopping haul. The fitting room there was open, but with COVID and the pandemic, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just buy all my clothes, try them on. So this is my first time trying on all these clothes for you guys. This is a fall haul, so I'm gonna be showing you guys all my little fall pieces. Honestly, all these outfits you can wear to work, you can wear to brunch, you can just wear to any outing that is more nicer, not just your normal like casual clothes. These are more so your dressy clothes or nicer outfits that you would wear to nicer events. This is my first time trying them on. This is my first time actually just, you know, piecing everything together. So hopefully everything comes out nicely, hopefully everything fits. But I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with this try and haul and show you guys everything that I bought. Hope you guys like it. If you do like this video, please go ahead and like the video. Tell me which outfit is your favorite. I'd love to know. This top that I'm wearing now is the first piece from my shopping haul. It is this tan caramel top, this blouse. I don't want to just call it a top. This is a blouse, and I think it looks really good. I love the color. I love how it looks on my complexion. It's like a nice tan caramel color, and I think it looks really good on. I did get this top in a size medium. I think it fits really good on to be a size medium. I think it fits my arms fairly nicely. And just to get into the details, this top has, as you can tell, it has a whole bunch of gold sparkles on it. That is all the way throughout the shirt. It's not just in the front, but you also see the same gold sparkles in the back, so that's cute. That gives this top a little oomph to it. I also like this tie that's in the middle of the top. You can adjust this top, but it's not like a drawstring, so it's not gonna pull you in as tight as you want it to, but you can tie and adjust the top just a little bit. The strings do pull on both sides, kind of just like hugs your sides and your curves a little bit more, gives you a figure. Even though this is a flowy top, it kind of just sucks you in a little bit in the midsection and make sure you look snatched right here in the midsection. I love how the sleeves are puffy and flowy. I think this top is just, I don't know, it's honestly just perfect for fall. And as you can tell, I just paired it up with some black jeans. You can pair this top with some jeans, with some slacks, and a nice little handbag, a nice little cute pair of shoes, some accessories. And I think this top would look cute with anything, especially in the fall, winter time, because I think this is just, you know, this is always just a good color for the fall season. So I like it. It fits good. It's stylish. And yeah, it's cute. So if you like this top, tell me what you think about it. If you do like it, if this is something that you would wear during the fall season, let me know. Okay guys, so this is my next piece from Express, and to be honest, I think she's really cute. I think this is a really nice and stylish outfit. I love the color, and two, like, I love the print. As you can tell, I'm gonna get a little closer so you can tell, but this is like a snake print, alligator print, whatever you want to call it. It's some type of animal, so it's kind of like a burnt orange, brown color, and I just love the details on this dress. I also like how the sleeves are a little bit puffed up a little bit. I think it looks really good. It kind of just like I said, adds another little element to the dress that, you know, a lot of people wouldn't recognize, but like I recognize the details. So I really liked the shoulder pads. I think they look good. They just kind of like add an extra oomph to the dress. As you can tell, like down the sleeves, they are a little bit shorter on me, but the sleeves do have a lot of detailing on them. They have buttons. They have this nice little peephole cutout on both sides, which is kind of cute. Just, you know, like I said, another little oomph, another little cute little detail on this dress. And then it has this little bow tie up in the front that you can tie up yourself and adjust. So that's nice. I like this. And I think it fits great. This is once again another medium. And I think she fits really good on. Yes, I would definitely pair this with some white shoes just to make this color, or just make this outfit pop a little bit more. Like, it's already doing its own thing. It's already cute, it's stylish, but like with a nice handbag, with some nice shoes and accessories with this, like, you can really set this dress off. And I think the color and the style is just perfect for fall. I love these little ruffles at the bottom. I think they're really cute. And yeah, this dress is all about the details, baby. And I think it looks really good on. It fits good. Give you a nice little 360 one more time. And yeah, this dress is a yes for me. I like her. I like it on. So if you like this dress, tell me what you think down below. Give this video a nice little comment and tell me what you think. Okay guys, so this is my next outfit, my next ensemble from Express. And I don't know about you guys, but this is giving me like Mean Girls, or like, what's that other movie? Legally Blonde, but in cream. We don't not doing the Legally Blonde with the pink, even though that is my favorite color. Legally Blonde with the cream. And I'm loving it. I'm loving the color, the outfit, the ensemble. I think this is very cute. So as you can tell, this is another one of those like puppy arm, puppy sleeve type shirts. And this top is in a medium. And I think it's really cute. I love all the pleating on it. So as you can tell, you can see my bra just a little bit. So the shirt is a little on the sheer side. So if you do get this top and you do wear it, just be prepared to wear a tank top underneath it. I mean, the weather is changing. It's getting colder. So you might need that tank top anyway. But for the purpose of this try-on haul video, I didn't throw on a tank top. So you can see my bra a little bit. I put on a tan one. I thought, you know, it'd be good, but obviously not. And moving on for the skirt, it is this nice like quilted feel. It has like this checkered print to it. Like I said, it is quilted, so it has a nice thick material to it. The bottom of the skirt does have these like frillies to it all the way around the skirt. I did get the skirt in a size small. I was kind of surprised when I saw the size. I'm like, I'm not no small. I can't fit a small. Why did I even buy a small? But the small fits, so I'm not complaining. And she fits really good on. Like, she's not tight. Like, I have some extra room. So this Express small is doing me justice. She fits good on. She looks good. She feels good. And honestly, I feel good in this outfit. Like, I don't have any other complaints. Like, I mean, besides the top being sheer, but that's an easy fix. Just throw on a tank top and we good, we Gucci. But yeah, this outfit's really cute. I definitely can see myself wearing this. Let me know what you think down below in the comment section if you like this outfit. Is this something that you would wear? We give you a complete 360. But yes, on to my next outfit. I don't know what I'm gonna pick, but it's gonna be cute, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so this is the next piece. This is my next outfit from my Express haul, and this is what she looks like. As you can tell, she is a nice little slip dress with some ruche detailing down the middle, up in the chest area. And I do love the detailing. I love the color. My only thing is, I think she fits a little bit too big. Like, I definitely want to exchange this dress for a small. I got a medium, and I think she's, like I said, she's just fitting a little bit too big for me. But besides that, I think she's cute. She goes a little bit below my knees, so this dress might be a little bit longer on you if you are anything shorter than I am. I am in the tall girl family, so just be prepared. And I like this piece, I really do. I love the color. Like I said, she's just fitting a little bit weird, so I'm gonna have to get a smaller size because she's just a little bit too big for me. Oh, I'm a skinny gal now. Not really, but you know, And since this is like, you know, a fall try-on haul, I think once I put like a little jacket or a bomber jacket or any type of jacket over this that complements with the color, I think it will look really nice. I think it will just pair nicely together. And yes, I think it would be perfect for the occasion, for fall. So if you like this dress, besides it fitting a little off, a little bit too big, tell me guys what you think. If you like this dress, give this video a nice thumbs up. And I'm gonna go ahead and get changed into my next outfit, and hopefully that one fits a little bit better. Like I said, I wasn't able to try on any of my clothes in the fitting room due to the pandemic, so I'm trying all these clothes on for the first time. I'm seeing them for the first time. You guys are seeing for the first time on, so hopefully you guys like all the pieces thus far, and I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into my next outfit. Okay guys, so this is my next piece from my express haul, and we're just gonna be focusing on the top. I just paired this black skirt with the top. It's actually from Express too, but I didn't get it from this shopping haul, so like I said, we're just focusing on the top here. This nice burgundy cami, this nice lacy burgundy cami. I love this cami. I think you can dress this cami up, you can dress it down. I matched it with a skirt, a nice little pencil skirt. This is a nice pencil skirt you can wear to work or any business casual events. So like I said, I just dressed this up. But you can obviously dress this down, throw this top on with a pair of jeans, and this top would still look cute. Doesn't matter honestly what other type of bottom options you have or what you want to pair this with. This cami can honestly look good with anything. And like I said, since we're wearing this cami in the fall time, I think it would look perfect. Maybe just so with this outfit, if you put like a blazer over it, or a nice little bomber, or something that'll keep you warm when it starts getting colder outside. So I love the color. I think that this silky top will look good with literally anything, any bottom. It doesn't have to be black. I do think maybe I can go a size smaller. I obviously don't have a bra on with this top because I didn't want the bra straps to show. And that's another thing with this top, the spaghetti straps are very thin. So just be mindful of that when you're wearing bras or picking out what bra you want to wear. You can go strapless, but I don't really like the whole strapless bra look. I'd rather just go braless. So obviously that's what I did. And yeah, I like this cami. It's just literally a basic cami. And like I said, you can dress this bad boy up, you can dress this bad boy down. You can even wear this to work if you want to. That's why I kind of paired it with this skirt. Give you a nice little business casual outfit idea with a nice little jacket over it. If you don't, it's up to you. The options are endless with this little cami. The color is right, the fit, the little decoration, little details up in the top area is really nice. So I like this top. I think it's really nice. You can wear it to any occasion and still look really good. So this is another 10 out of 10 for me. If you like this cami, please go ahead and tell me what you think. Is this something you would wear? Is this something that you would have in your closet? Something that's essential? Maybe, I don't know. But like I said, tell me what you think. And I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into my next piece for my shopping haul. And hopefully the last piece is the best piece. So this is my last piece. This is my last little outfit, my last little ensemble for my express haul. And I like her. I love the fit. The colors are just right for fall. I think the cashmere sweater, the whole little, what are these called? This little turtleneck is perfect for fall. Kind of funny story, I hate turtlenecks, but this one's like really soft and feels really good, so I don't mind her at all. And I think too, because she is a no sleeve top, like all my shoulders are out and exposed and my arms are out, that I just feel more comfortable in this top. But I do think it's a little big on me. I think I would have to like go down a size with this one. And same with the skirt. It fits nice, but I think it would fit even better if it was like a size smaller. But I really just love all the pleating in it and all the detailing and how flowy it is. Like, oops. But I think these two pair very nicely together. I just don't know if I'd pair them together. I thought they would look really cute on when I was in the store, but as I have them on now, I don't know how I feel about them. but I think it honestly has a lot to do with the sizing. So if the sizing was better, I think I would like this outfit a whole lot better. But if you do like this outfit, tell me what you think about it. If you like it, go ahead and give this video a nice little thumbs up and give you a nice little 360. But yeah, overall, I really did like all my pieces. There were just some things that didn't really fit well, or I would just have to exchange for a different size. But besides that, I think everything was just perfect for the fall time. I think everything just fit nicely in that whole little theme that I had going on, the colors, the prints. I think everything just, it looked good on. All these fits are gonna be fire. And if you don't already, please go ahead and follow me on my Instagram page. It is That's Painful. I'm gonna go ahead and tag it down below. Make sure you guys follow me so you can see all these outfits later on when I do post them, when I wear them, when the weather starts cooling down a little bit. And I just wanna say thank you again for watching this video. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video.